Hello and welcome back to my series on how to make a digital breakout. We're going to continue with making the puzzles. Again, we're using the files that can be found in this folder as a template. So we are on doing puzzle 3, which is a literal jigsaw puzzle. So on our original template that we had, temple site, if we go down to this image, this takes the students to a puzzle. That's not the one I want. So the students will see this, I promise you. If you do it once on your computer, you're always going to see the solved puzzle, but students will see it jumbled up. So they put the pieces together, and in my particular breakout, once they get the image, there's a little hint here to find out what her name is and her last name only. This is what it looks like completed. And on the main page at the top, I have this other extra link, which is a short 2 to 3 minute video on how to use Google Images. You can search an image to get text back, and it'll tell you what the image is or give you some ideas of the image. So they're supposed to come up with Ada Lovelace, that's her name, and type that here to unlock one of the locks. So you could come up with any historical figure or somebody you want your students to know about and make a puzzle. So the first step is to make the puzzle. So if we go to a new tab and you just type a name and click on the images. So Grace Hopper's another well-known woman in computer science. So if we find an image we like, we can right click on it and say save image as, and so I have a Mac, so it looks a little different. You want to make sure you have JPEG or PNG, I think, just to be safe. So I'm going to call this image breakout, and then I will save it. So this will download it to my computer. So then you want to go to www.jigsawplanet.com, and it will look like this. And you do not need to create an account or sign in or anything. You just want to click the Create tab at the top, and then you're going to choose a file, and you're going to choose that file that you just downloaded to your computer. Once the image is chosen, I'm going to keep the name breakout. I don't want to give them any hints. You can select how many puzzle pieces you want. I think 35 is good. It's not to make it hard, it's to just have some fun with it. This is where I put the tags, what's her name, and last name only. So these are only showing up because I've used them before. You would have to create your own tags, and then you say create. Now you want to save this tab on the top, so in the later video when we link this to our site, I'm going to link it to this image. We need to make sure that we still have this open to get that link. So I wouldn't put the puzzle together yet. I'd get the link, attach it to your site, and then you can play around with putting it together on yours. But it's just that easy. That's how you make your own puzzle. See you in the next video.